It's hard to believe that it's been over 41 years since the founding of Purolite. Purolite is a family business. We're manufacturers of styrenics, acrylics, and agarose products in our 4 worldwide manufacturing facilities. We've been manufacturing active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and other pharmaceutical purification products for over 35 years. Our expansion into southeastern Pennsylvania, I feel, will be one of our greatest achievements. Due to the need of security of supply and just increased demand, we have added production to North America, which will secure our customers for their future and our future.
Purolite's healthcare and life science business has been growing tremendously. We've spent a lot of time and effort focusing on this market segment, and thankfully our efforts have come to fruition and demand is growing like wildfire. So we've decided building a new active pharmaceutical ingredient clean room and a new protein A ion exchange chromatography resin line for the bioprocessing industry. And we know that our customer base wants a real security of supply. They're investing hundreds of millions of dollars into these new drugs, and they want to ensure that their supplier can produce and provide the products seamlessly. So by having production on 2 different continents, we can then ensure that supply. The new building has a lot of exciting features to it. First of all, it is less than half a mile from our brand new headquarters in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and only 30 minutes from our manufacturing facility in Philadelphia. The new clean rooms will be FDA inspected and adhere to regulatory guidelines that our customers require. We'll have state-of-the-art laboratories to control all aspects of our processes. We believe the addition of this plant will allow us to achieve the ambitious growth targets that we have set. Many people ask me, why do you like what you do? What's so great about Purolite? And I love to watch the continued growth. You don't have to look in the rearview mirror and see what's happened in the past and see what's coming in the future. And this new capacity allows an amazing future for our company.
This US expansion of what we are doing here in the UK encompasses our patented range of jetting technology. Jetting technology is a manufacturing method that we use to produce uniform beads. And Purolite is the only supplier globally around the world able to produce uniform agarose beads. We have developed an innovative range of resins that provides today several different types of protein A's and a number of different ion exchange technologies. This platform of technology allows our customers to produce treatments for patients who are suffering from cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes, and our Praesto range is even used in vaccine purification today. As a company, we are extremely proud that our resin technology today is used in several commercially approved FDA processes approved around the world, whether that's by end users who are biopharmaceutical developers or whether that's with leading CMO organizations. We are delighted that our technology is being used to provide vital treatments around the world.
Purolite has been manufacturing APIs, excipients, tablet disintegrants, and resins for medical devices for over 3 decades. To give examples of applications of our resins in this field, we produce resins for treatment of hypercholesterol, hyperalkalemia. We produce resins that are able to mill APIs to make more bioavailable, and we develop resins and produce resins for medical devices, so for treatment of kidney and liver dialysis or for patients that suffer from cystic fibrosis. We continuously develop new products to support our pharmaceutical customers to improve the life of patients and increase life expectation of people. So we are proud to do what we do best. We do resins, and we are proud to continuously manufacture and develop new products to support our pharmaceutical customers.
We're hoping within the next, I'll say 8 to 9 months, we're going to have an up-and-coming operating facility. We're excited. I think the community's excited, and I think the healthcare industry is excited about what we're doing. I wanted to thank you for joining us for our virtual groundbreaking. We surely look forward to sharing updates as the building progresses, and hopefully we will be together for the grand opening.